The Mavro Global and Social Financial System of the Nation Exchange and Financial Freedom by Stephen Ozouru. My name is Stephen Ozouru. I'm a consultant in Green Mavro Global. Are you working exhaustively to earn money? Are you tired of being a slave to a boss? You don't have work at all, even begging other people for food. Then GMG is the solution to these questions, and this video is just for you. Join GMG today and be financially free. Outline of presentation. In the course of this presentation, we shall consider the following. 1. What is GMG? 2. The GMG community ideology. 3. How GMG works technically. 4. The benefits of GMG. What is GMG? GMG is an acronym which is interpreted as the first G stands for green, the second M stands for Mavro, the third G stands for global. So GMG means Green Mavro Global. It is a global and social financial community where people provide help, financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. It gives a technical platform with which millions of people in the world can connect to each other and are willing to provide help to those who need it. It only regulates the system and process of donation exchange between participants. It has no central account where participant donations are kept. Rather, money is donated directly to a participant account, i.e., it is a technical peer-to-peer system. It is not a bank, business, company, nor an investment. Hence, it gives no guarantee or promise beside the participant donation exchange. It assigns reward called Mavro, which is to be enjoyed by active participants and managers. In Green Mavro Global, there is no lender and no debtor. The Green Mavro Global ideology. The main goal of the GM Global community is to fight and destroy the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich is getting richer and the poor is getting poorer. It also aims at breaking chains of financial bondage on the people and give them financial freedom. It aims to disprove that money is a measure of labor. If it is, then compare who works more and earn more between bricklayers and a banker. It aims to establish a fair and honest financial system where participants can get reward of 30% to 50% of the donation in 30 days' time. It aims to allow participants to work less and earn more through their donation exchange. How does GMG work? Technically, in GMG, you don't need to have a contract or pledge of your property. There is no lender and debtor. It involves one participant asks for help and another provides help. You declare willingness to provide help. Click Provide Help in your personal office, after in which your account is rewarded with an amount in Mavro, which is internal currency. Once another participant confirms the receipt of the money from you, that is, your PH request gets the status confirmed. Mavro starts growing at the monthly rate of 30 to 50%. Growth stops at exactly 1 month for Mavro 30% and 3 months for Mavro 40%. The amount in Mavro increases every day from the moment that your 10% payment is confirmed. So you have announced willingness to assist someone with $100,000. You are rewarded with a Mavro 30% in your pre-O. After the receipt confirms the receipt of after the recipient confirms the receipt of 10% of the payment, your Mavro immediately starts growing. 28 days later, the $10,000 becomes $13,000 Mavro accordingly. You will be able to request help worth of $13,000 after providing help again equal or higher than the previous help provided and paying 10% of the new pledge. How GMG works continues. You receive an order for providing help to each order in your personal office. If you do not complete it within 48 hours, you are removed from the system. Benefits of GMG. First, standard 30% contribution. In Green Mavro Global, every participant will be rewarded with 30% growth increase of the amount donated in fiat in 30 days. 2. Crypto 40% contribution. In Green Mavro Global, every participant will be rewarded 40% growth increase of the amount donated in cryptocurrency in 30 days. Registration bonuses. When registering in a system, you get $20 to $100 bonuses as a present, but not everyone, only those who have contributed their own money as well. 20% $20 bonus is given if you have contributed from $50 to $499, frozen for 2 months. If your account is blocked within this period, you will lose your bonus. $50 bonuses. If you have contributed from $500 to $2,999, frozen for 2 months. If your account is blocked within this period, you will lose your bonuses. $100 bonus. If you have contributed $3,000 and above, also frozen for 2 months. If your account is blocked within this period, you will lose your bonus. Guiders bonuses. Manager of Green Mavro Global Community can create their own multi-level structure and get bonuses from each of their donations. First level bonus is 1%. Second level bonus is 1.5%. Third level bonus is 2%. Fourth level bonus is 0.25%. Referral bonuses. Participants are credited with referral bonuses of 10% from the amount of the contribution made by each new member, that means the referral, you invited to the system according to new money rules. Bonuses are credited in Mavro 30%, which may be taken out as soon as the referral has provided the help and got his Mavro confirmed. Bonuses for video of testimonials. Bonus for video in letter of happiness is 10%, 5%, or 1% of the amount of received help. The bonus is created only for get help requests, which are created not later than 2 months ago. After receiving help, you have to send a letter of happiness. If you attach a video to it, you will get a bonus. The bonus is created for each letter of happiness. Thanks for watching Green Mavro Global Community. Bye.